Hello everyone, welcome. Welcome to Twin Cities Rise. We are excited to have you joining us, and we are really looking forward to working with you to achieve your meaningful employment goals. My name is Mr. Z. I'm one of the instructors here at Twin Cities Rise, and I'm just one of many people that you will be working with as part of the Twin Cities Rise network to help you achieve your goals. I'm going to be giving a little overview of our online, what we call our TCR e-learning community, how to get logged in, how to navigate, what to expect, to give you a chance to log in, take a look around, and we can respond to any questions that you may have. We've made it very simple, very easy to use, and very intuitive with some really great information that you're going to need in this whole new economy and virtual world to be successful in the workplace today. And we've learned a lot over the past year since we put this online learning into place, and we've been very successful with it. Some tips to remember for yourself: be patient. If you've never done online learning in the past, be patient with yourself. Those of you who have done online learning, this is going to be a refresher. But one of the things that we have found when individuals have gone through this program, they've told us, we know it's virtual, but it doesn't seem virtual. We want it to be interactive. That's why we do the classes. That's why we do interactive tasks as well. So be patient with yourself. Ask questions. Let us know if you need any help as you're getting started. And the first step of logging on is creating your account and password to get logged into the system. In the next day or two, you will be receiving an email that looks just like this from the TCR e-learning community. If you don't see it in your regular email, check your junk email as well. But you'll be receiving a welcome to the TCR e-learning community. That's going to give you the link to go directly and log in to the system. Note here at the bottom, and on yours, you will have your username, which should be your email address, the email that you used when you registered at Twin Cities Rise. Remember that, because your username when you're logging in is always your email address. Simply click on the link. That will take you to a page that looks like this. Simply put in your username, which is your email. Your password is one you will create, and just like anything virtually today, make sure you write it down. Write it down in a place that is accessible if you ever need it. Your username, your password, just simply log in, and welcome. You are now in the TCR e-learning community. When you first get there, you will see two what we call learning tracks. Everyone will have an emotional intelligence learning track. Different individuals will have different program learning tracks on this site. You will be assigned to whatever learning track. If you wanted to go into call center, this will say call center. If you are in My Road to Success, this will say My Road to Success. So all of the learning tracks are assigned appropriately. If it's not, let us know. We will make the correction. To get into a learning track, we have 8 learning plans. You simply click, and for each week, there is a learning plan. And so for week 1, you're going to be completing Learning Plan 1. Simply click, and these are all the activities that we would like you to complete for that week. A couple of things just to launch it. You simply click, and it'll bring out with any instructions associated with it. Simple steps we want you to follow each week to be successful here. attend your virtual classes, complete the projects and the lessons for the week, meet with your coaches or resource team as needed and ask, be engaged, participate, learn, enjoy, and move forward. These are the things, the simple steps to take to be successful in the program. And you will note, since I opened that, took a look at it, understood it, my status is 100%. I completed that. So these will be completed for you as you complete your different activities throughout the week. Other thing I want to mention to you is when you get into your virtual training session, these are your classes for the week. So again, on Monday, if you wanted to view and wanted to get more details on what it is or the Zoom link you need to use, it's all right here. You can use the Zoom link here, and it gives you the date and the time that is associated with the program that you are assigned to. Always look off to the right into the materials section. In some of our assignments, it may say download the worksheet and complete it. In order to do that, very simple process. Simply click on the link. A little download folder will show up here in the bottom left. Just open it, and that worksheet is available to you if you want to change it, enable the editing. But you can save, this is a Word document that you can save, you can share, you can send it as an attachment, just like any other document that you have. So watch for the materials section, because we have a lot of activities in there that can help build the skills that we're talking about in the actual lessons. And we have videos, and we have reading materials. We have worksheets, a lot of different things. The other thing that you may run across is what we call a task. This is where we're asking for you to feedback to us, in response to a question, a reflection on a video, for you to apply what you have learned. So staying connected in goals is a task here. All you do is launch it, and you're going to be getting, here's the question of, we know it's only your first week, tell us what you think. What are some of the things you hope to achieve with your time with us? How do you plan on staying connected to your coach and others at TCR while you're here? You just simply and you will simply, when you have completed it, done, and you have completed that task. And we look at all the tasks and the responses. So once it is approved, actually when you submit, this status will change to 50%. It'll change to 100% once that task is approved. And in every case, you will always get a response to your task. So you can go back in once you get notice that that task has been approved, go back in and look at it again, and it will show you the response right up here that you got that may respond to a question you had or clarify some of the content associated with the question, or any number of it. It's a great way to communicate. So please, as you're doing tasks, don't just submit without putting anything in. Make sure that you're responding to the question, doing the activities, and then responding appropriately. So each week, in summary, you will go through the learning track and the learning plan associated with week 1, week 2, week 3, because again, the classes are all aligned with that. We would like them to be completed by the end of the week, hopefully earlier, because when you have your classes, a lot of this material will be talked about. And remember, you will also have an emotional intelligence learning track you'll be going through as well. So your first week of class, you'll be doing the EI week 1. Your second week of class, you'll be doing EI week 2. So you will be completing both of the learning plans for both of the learning tracks as you proceed through the program. Last thing I want to mention to you is the fact that we've got additional learning opportunities for you that you can learn on your own outside of the learning plans in what we call our learning catalog. We've got a lot of materials out here that you can do some self-exploration. If you want to work on your resumes and get more details of how to build a good resume or cover letters, keywords, all of those things are included in here. As well as interviewing and networking in the new economy, a lot of different things. So we wanted to make this not only structured in the learning plans, but to give you the opportunities, if you want to dig a little deeper in particular topics, we're providing that. Again, that is up here in the learning catalogs. A lot of stuff, but I think it'll be fun. We found a lot of the participants who have been through it already. It's really a great learning experience. Main things to remember: be patient with yourself, ask questions, let us know if you do need help. Watch for the welcome email from TCR Learning Community in the next day or so. Remember, your username is your email address. Your password is the one you create. Write it down. If you ever need the internet address for the TCR Learning Community, it's at tcrise.force.com/s/login/ that'll take you to the landing page where you can put your username and your password in. It's a good idea to maybe bookmark this so that it's always there. You don't need to search for it. And I'm back. Sound like fun. It is. It'll be a great learning experience. Got some great things in there for you. Again, all of it has its purpose to help you achieve your meaningful employment goals. Have fun, be engaged, enjoy this learning experience, and explore it. And always remember, Twin Cities Rise is here for you. Welcome. We're excited to have you. Enjoy your time with us.